Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing another origami decorative series, which is nothing but the Origami Snowflake version 2.0. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for the Snowflake version 2.0 model, excuse me, we'll need a square piece of paper. It would be great if we have a white sheet of paper, but I don't have any white sheets, so I'm doing it with this. Fold it along the diagonals first. This is how it looks. Fold this entire thing to the center. And fold this thing backwards. Actually, let's get it till here. Not till the center, but till the point where this can form a section like this. As you can see, cut this section. Now we'll draw the design on this. I'll get back to you. Guys, here I have cut this in this section, this slit here, and a design like this till here. Now we just open this slowly. And this is a nice snowflake design. As you can see, looks really beautiful. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's very easy origami decoration model, so go ahead, make one and then decorate your entire house with this. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.